Hello everyone. Today we will learn to generate GitHub Action workflow, and in this workflow we will create three steps: build, test, and package. And all this we will do using ChatGPT. Okay. Unless there is some automation available for creating this one. So use ChatGPT to create CI pipeline for Spring Boot app. Existing GitHub repo. Do we have? Yes, we have. This repo we will use. With the Spring Boot project, explain CI goals on push or PR. PR stands for pull request. Build, run tests, and package jar. Ask ChatGPT for basic workflow. Okay, so let's open ChatGPT and yeah. So yeah, this is our demo prompt. Okay, so I have to just adjust a bit few things because first I have to provide it a role, like your role is this, and then I have to specify some context. So you are what is a prompt? Okay, prompt is you are a senior DevOps engineer. I have a Java 21 Spring Boot project using Maven hosted on GitHub. I want GitHub Action workflow that run on push and pull requests to main branch. Use Ubuntu runners. Set up Java 21. Run mvn-b. Verify it will execute all tests. Okay, archive test report as artifact. Okay, and generate the GitHub workflow. So first it will generate the workflow and it will run some tests also. Okay, and okay. So let's do this thing first. So on pull request, normally we can generate this thing via this thing or via this GitHub action flow, but let's use ChatGPT first, as mentioned in the tutorial. So okay, so it will run the test, set up Java version, run on. It will do as per specified. Set up Ubuntu runner. Okay, it will execute on push or pull request to the main branch, then set up Ubuntu runner, then it set up Java 21, then it will run all tests, unit test, integration test, then it will archive test report as artifact and then generate ci.yaml file. Copied it. Uh, no, I can't get it like this. So, see, the best thing to so as it is YAML file, then it must have a certain format. That's why it is showing you a message, warning message. Sorry. Okay. So now I push it. I add this file, then I push it to create it. ci.yaml file for GitHub Action. Okay, now it is pushed. Let's see. Did we get something here? Yes, this is another method to. Okay, so I think it is triggered now. It is building. Let's see what happened. I do have some tests also, so Mhm. Okay, so build is successful. If I see a green sign, then most likely build is successful and it took 45 seconds. Okay, one artifact is created and yeah, so at least till here we are done. Let's see. Then paste it in YAML in your repository. Okay, that's what I did. On trigger, job build action setup. Let's see, did we do it or not? On trigger, yes. Push and pull request. Jobs build. Jobs build action setup action cache. Did I set this thing also? Action build. Okay, so trigger is set up. Okay, we have got two triggers, push and pull request. Okay, and then job build action setup is done, and run the workflow. I already run it. Okay, and I got success as I have showed you. Okay, optional enhancement for prompt: improve this workflow by adding cache for Maven repository JDK and by splitting the job into build, test stages, keep YAML minimal and compatible. Okay, so far, let's see. Yes, cache, adding cache for JDK and Maven would certainly help me. Mhm. I did not configure cache so far. Okay, but this is as of now it is an option, so I will certainly do it, but later I will do this thing. So in my dedicated GitHub Action course, we go. Okay, yeah, I created a separate GitHub Action course, but that is not the context of this tutorial. So there I'll go into deeper into multi-environment pipeline approval, deployment gates, and other stuff. Okay, that I will certainly go through. But as of now, we are done with this the current slide. Thank you very much for watching this slide, and let's move to the another next slide.